So your first stop when you are starting your research for either your disease or your famous person, either one, is going to be WorldBook. Remember, we always go to WorldBook first because it has good general background information. Now, depending on your topic, you may be able to use WorldBook Kids. It's a little bit easier to use. The articles are shorter. You may or may not be able to find the information you're looking for there. But for our purposes today, we're going to use WorldBook Student because that's where most of your stuff is probably going to be. So we're here in WorldBook Student. I'm going to type in the name of the person I am looking for, Helen Keller. And I'm going to choose, of course, my first entry because this is the article about her. Now, one of the questions on your research question sheet asks you to write one sentence explaining why your person is famous. Your answer for that is right up here at the top. It's going to be the first sentence in the encyclopedia entry. This first sentence is kind of a summary of what the person is known for. This is also true for the disease. The first sentence in the disease entry is going to be a short summary of what that disease is or does. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get your note card and write down your version of this first sentence that's going to explain to you who this person is or what that disease is. Okay, after that you can go through, look at your research questions, pull out what other information you need, and then you're going to want to do two things. You're going to want to get this MLA citation. You're going to want to write it down or copy and paste it. Make sure you have it so you don't have to come back and find it later. And you're also going to want to come up here and you're going to want to save this article to your Google Drive. And this means that you will not have to look it up again later. If you need more information, you can just save it and have it in your drive to use if you need it again later.